Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Montessori busy board and my grandson who's running around in the background. So basically this is the box. So it boasts 7 switches, 10 LED lights, cute cartoon panel, and a key control power supply. So open it up. And it does come with a Allen key to get to the back. So it's packed really well. And this is the key for the power supply. Turn that on. Oh, there we go. So that is your key right there. And then on the back, that's where you put the batteries, and it comes with a little Allen key screwdriver. So we just open that up real quick. Opens up and it takes 2 AAAs. So we use the Energizer AAA batteries. Then we put in battery 1. And it's a pretty tight compartment, so you can definitely take some rough housing. Put these 2 screws back in. And obviously make sure these are snug for your little ones so they can't get in here. And again, you'll feel it kind of find its home. Okay, then that is your on switch. And put the key back in. Turn that on. So you have all your different switches that light up. So pretty cool. Okay, let's see how he likes it. Hey, Aiden. Aiden. What do you think? Push buttons down here. What do you think? See much? This one. Push it down. Oh, look at that. Anyway, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.